In this video, I'm going to show you how to use teleprompter on your phone to shoot your videos. Now, teleprompters are software that you can use to shoot video, whereby it's going to show the write-up on the screen and you can read along. And people will not be aware that you are reading from the screen. So most of the newscasters that you normally see, they use the teleprompter to shoot their videos. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to get teleprompter on your phone to shoot your videos and how you can use it effectively. So join me in this tutorial. Let's dive in. So before we dive into the session, if you are seeing my video for the first time, make sure that you follow me on this page, so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also help me to share this video for others to see this video. So to use teleprompter on your phone, the first thing you're going to do is go to your Google Play Store and type teleprompter. So it's going to bring a different teleprompter app on your phone. So the one you are going to download is, so download this particular teleprompter on your phone. I'm also going to give you access to another powerful teleprompter, so make sure you watch this video to the end to get access to that powerful teleprompter, and that one is totally free of charge. So you download this teleprompter on your phone. So you click on open. So I have it on my phone already, so I'm going to go and open the app. So once you click on open, it's going to bring you to this interface. You click on create new script. The script that you want to use for your video. So you upload the script here. You add the title of the script. Then you click on save. So you can click on the start prompting to start recording your video. So once you click on start prompting, you choose you have 3 options. So you choose record your video with front camera, so that your video is going to show and the write-up will also show. So it's going to bring you to this interface. So you click on this icon to start recording your videos while reading from the screen. So once you click on it, then you can start your recording. So you follow you can also set the speed of the record. So you click on this icon to set the speed of the record. So you can adjust the size of the font, that's the write-up. Then you can also adjust the speed of the scrolling speed, so that it will match with your speed. So once you are done setting that, then if you want to start your record, click on this icon, then you click on start prompting. Then once you click on start prompting, then the write-up will start displaying it. Then you can start reading from the write-up, then doing your videos. So once you are done, you click on save to save your video. The second teleprompter app you can use, you also have a teleprompter on CapCut, but this teleprompter is only available for the old version of CapCut. For the current and new version of CapCut, you cannot have access to it. So if you want to get access to the old version of CapCut, you can drop a comment on the comment section that pro CapCut, then I'll give you access to the pro version of CapCut for free. So if you open your CapCut, you click on this arrow which is expand. So you click on teleprompter. So you can set it to different minutes. You click here to add your video script. So once you have added your video script, you click on done. Then if you want to change the speed of the display of the write-up, you click on this icon. So here you can change the speed of the write-up, also the font of the write-up. Once you are done, you go back. So if you want to start your video, then you click on this icon here. So you start recording your video. So this is how to do teleprompt. So if you got value from this video, make sure you like and share this video for others to see this video. And if you have not followed me on this page, make sure you follow me on this page, so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification.